Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello traders! In this video I will explain how to set up anchored VWAP in TradingView. First, navigate to the drawing tools on the left side of your chart. Select the anchored VWAP tool, which is distinct from standard indicators. Next, simply click on your chart at the precise point where you want the calculation to begin. This action will instantly display the anchored VWAP line, showing the volume-weighted average price from your selected starting point. It's a straightforward process to get this powerful tool on your screen. Once your anchored VWAP is on the chart, you can easily customize it. Right-click the line or click the gear icon to open the settings. Here, you can change the line's color, thickness, and style to suit your visual needs. You can also add and adjust standard deviation bands, typically 1, 2, or 3 deviations, to see price ranges. If you need to move the starting point, simply click and drag the large dot at the beginning of the line to a new location. Some advanced users also explore custom auto-anchoring indicators. Anchored VWAP is a versatile tool for market analysis. It helps pinpoint dynamic support and resistance levels, providing a clearer picture of market sentiment and price structure. Many traders use it as a mean reversion tool, especially when observing price reactions around its 1 or 2 standard deviation bands. Pay close attention to how price interacts with the main VWAP line and these bands. Its unique ability to anchor from any point, such as a major high or low, makes it far more adaptable than the session-bound traditional VWAP. To maximize your use of anchored VWAP, consider combining it with other technical indicators for a more robust analysis. Experiment with anchoring it at key price levels, such as major earnings reports or significant swing highs and lows. Aligning your anchored VWAP with the prevailing market structure can significantly enhance its predictive power. Always remember that no single tool guarantees success. It's one component of a well-rounded trading strategy. Consistent practice on your charts will greatly improve your understanding and application of this powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.